Walmart, what can you say? Do they have models or not? I don't know. It seems like most Walmarts don't have models. I was able to finally find a Walmart that has them. I was on a quest to find a Walmart that has model car kits. I found one. I must have went to 6, 7, 8 Walmarts, and here we go. I finally found one. I know a lot of guys out there say my Walmart doesn't have models. I can believe it because most of them don't. Why they choose one Walmart over the other, who knows? But anyway, here's the models I found. Instead of shooting an intro, I just thought I'd jump right in and just show the models. They got a little bit of everything. They got the usual kids kits, typical Coca-Cola stuff, a lot of Star Wars stuff, a few semi stuff. That snowplow, I was really surprised to see the snowplow. Coca-Cola truck, trailer. A lot of Coca-Cola stuff. The Coca-Cola kits don't bother me. Hey, they're model kits. Yeah, so what? It's just a decal sheet you may not use. More Coca-Cola trailers. The Western Star kit. That white Western Star kit's a neat kit. And you don't see it too often either. There's some pretty cool stuff here. I was a little surprised. You guys need to let me know if your Walmart has them or not. Like I said, I had a hard time finding a Walmart that has kits. They're pretty good ones here. You gotta dig. Gotta dig. But digging's fun. Look at there. Display cases. Looks like they got a little bit of everything to help someone out to get started, or some little basic paint sets. Pretty much choose about any model and get a display case. A little surprised to see the Peterbilt wreckers too. That was kind of a find right there. Cool. Batman mobile. Mustang. Pretty neat kits, as you can see. The Impala. That Chevelle. That Chevelle's a neat kit. I built a couple of those. Christine kit. Grumpy's Vega. I was surprised to see that. That was the only one there. And I did a lot more digging too without showing it on the camera. It's kind of hard to dig and put everything on the camera. And pretty much what I dug, everything was the same from behind. Old Jimmy. That 65 GTO, I haven't seen that kit in a long time either. I was surprised to see that. Couple Pro Street cars. Little tuner. A little tuner for someone. That thing will get scooped up, especially at Walmart. Now the Nova wagon. Surprised to see that. That's a nice selection. I talked to one of the managers and they says that Walmart just kind of randomly chooses where they're going to put a model display, and it's not many of them. She said probably 1 in 15 or 20 Walmarts will get models. It's pretty rare if you find a Walmart with models, but hey, they're out there. This is cool.